Spring is the ideal time to get your garden ready for a productive growing season. One of the simplest and most effective ways to do this is by creating a garden bed that naturally feeds itself. When set up correctly, your soil can remain rich and fertile throughout the year without the constant need for added compost or chemical fertilizers. The concept is very simple. Use organic materials already available around your home and garden, and allow nature to transform them into nutrients for your plants. Begin by selecting the location for your garden bed. This could be an existing raised bed, a section of soil in your yard, or a freshly prepared planting area. The goal is to build layers of organic material that will slowly break down over time. As these materials decompose, they gradually release nutrients into the soil, providing a steady supply of natural plant food. Next, collect the organic materials you have available. Kitchen scraps and garden waste work perfectly for this method. Vegetable leftovers, fruit peels, leafy cuttings, and even overgrown vegetables from your garden can all be used. Instead of throwing these materials away, you can recycle them into valuable nutrients for your soil. For instance, if you have radishes that have grown too large or become tough, they can still serve a useful purpose in the garden. Cut them into smaller pieces and spread them across the garden bed. Chopping the vegetables helps them decompose more quickly because it increases the surface area that soil microorganisms can work on. Once the chopped vegetables are spread across the bed, add fruit peels and other kitchen scraps on top. Banana peels, orange peels, apple cores, and similar materials contain nutrients that plants will benefit from later. While they may look like simple food waste, these scraps eventually break down and become a powerful natural fertilizer. After placing the organic materials in the bed, cover them with a layer of garden soil. This step is important because the soil helps start the decomposition process. It also prevents pests from being attracted to the food scraps and keeps the garden bed looking tidy. The soil layer does not need to be very thick, just enough to completely cover the organic materials. Once the scraps are covered, add a layer of well-decomposed manure on top. Aged manure is extremely beneficial for garden beds because it contains a wide range of nutrients as well as beneficial microorganisms. These microbes help break down the materials beneath while improving the overall structure and fertility of the soil. When spreading the manure, break apart any large clumps so the surface remains even. Large chunks can create an uneven bed and may slow down the distribution of nutrients. Use your hands or a small garden tool to crumble the manure and spread it evenly across the entire area. At this stage, watering becomes very important. Give the bed a deep and thorough watering. Moisture activates the microorganisms in the soil and starts the decomposition process. Without sufficient moisture, the organic materials will take much longer to break down. After watering, allow the garden bed to rest for a short period. Usually, waiting about 2 to 3 weeks is enough. During this time, soil organisms such as worms, bacteria, and fungi will begin working on the buried materials, slowly turning them into rich organic matter that plants can easily absorb. While the bed is resting, check the soil occasionally to ensure it stays slightly moist. You do not need to water it heavily every day, but if the soil begins to dry out, add a light watering. Maintaining moisture helps keep the decomposition process active. After a few weeks, the garden bed will transform into a nutrient-rich growing space. Much of the material beneath the surface will already be partially decomposed, creating a natural and steady supply of nutrients for your plants. At this point, you can begin planting vegetables, herbs, or flowers directly into the bed and enjoy healthy, productive growth throughout the season.